What is the scientific word for rain?
Participation.
Participation?
Mhm.
Oh, where'd you learn that at?
Rain school.
When did you go to rain school?
I mean, adventures that Lewis Clark College for Kids. Remember?
Oh. Okay. What if I told you that there is another scientific word for rain?
Mm-mm.
You wouldn't believe me?
Tell me.
The other scientific word for rain?
Mhm.
Because I'm going to tell you that participation is not the scientific word for rain. Participation is not.
How?
I'm just telling you it's not.
Precipitation. That's what I meant to say. Precipitation.
Who?
Precipitation.
Oh, not participation?
Mm-mm.
What does it mean when you participate?
It means that you're practicing.
That you're practicing?
Mhm.
When you participate, it means that you what?
At your joining.
Joining in. Thank you. And what is precipitation?
Rain.
Oh, okay, bye.